Hi friends, in this video I would be showing touch sensitivity setting, how to use touch sensitivity setting on Samsung mobile phone. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, select display. Under display, go down, here we can see touch sensitivity. Read this message. Increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. If you are using screen protector, then you can enable touch sensitivity. Okay, so tap here. So this way we can enable touch sensitivity. So if you want to turn off, again tap here and turn off. Okay, so this is very useful if you are using screen protector. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video.